good morning.
Oh, good morning, Mama Charles.
Are you not set for church?
Church? Which church again now?
Government has eased the lockdown.
See, Mama Charles, we have been under lockdown for over 2 months now, and we have not died. We have been praying to God in our houses, and God has been hearing our prayers. What else do we need church for? Tell me, Mama Charles, what do we need church for again? What do we need church for when we can pray in our houses and God can hear our prayer? What do we need church for?
Babaji, there are lots of reasons why we need church. In fact, I will tell you 4. Number 1, we are a spiritual family. A family should fellowship together. Number 2, iron sharpens iron. Many Christians have become cold during this lockdown. And for those that are not even cold, remember, 1 wishes 1,000, and 2 wishes 10,000. Are you with me, Babaji?
I am with you. I am with you. Speak on.
Number 3, there is a work we are doing for God in the church. We need to return to our work. Imagine those that gave their life to Jesus just before the lockdown. We need to look for them and bring them to church so that they can be established. Which is the last one, number 4. It is never the will of God for church to be under lockdown.
It is never the will of God for the church to be under lockdown. Mama Charles, thank you very much. Thank you very, very much. Don't worry, you can be going. We will also go and prepare now. So it is never the will of God for the church to be under lockdown. We will also go and... Mary, yes, go and get dressed. We are going to church. We are going to